Ndewo. Ôdaume Igbo bụ Igbo vowels. There are 8 Igbo vowels. Anyị nwere ôdaume asatọ. Ha bụ a, e, I, E, O, O, U, O. They are divided into two types. We have the heavy vowels and we have the light vowels. The heavy vowels are called ôdaume. Heavy vowels are called ôdaume, and they are e, I, O, U. And the light vowels are ôdaume. Ôdaume. So you say ôdaume, light vowels, and they are a, e, o, and o. Mgbochiume Igbo are the Igbo consonants. Every other letter in the Igbo alphabet that is not a vowel is a consonant. In Igbo, consonants are called Mgbochiume. Again, Mgbochiume. And there are 28 of them. Of the 28, 2 of them act as vowels sometimes, and they are called ųdaume. Yiri ôdaume. Yiri ôdaume. So ôdaume means vowel look-alike, and the 2 of those consonants that look like or act as vowels are me and ne. Me and ne. Like when we say ma, ma, me, a. The first M is acting as a vowel because it has a sound. Ma. The second one, your mouth is still closed, you didn't make any sound. So the first M has a sound, just like a at the end of it. Also like na. Na. Na is father. The first N, the first ne has a sound. Na is spelled as ne, a. Na. So there are some letters of the English alphabet that we don't have in Igbo. One of them is C. We don't have the letter C. Instead, we have CH. But we have a letter that sounds like C, which is just the regular S. The letter S in Igbo is called Se, which can act or represent words that start with C, you know. Okay, now another letter we don't have is the Q. The letter Q, we don't have Q, but we have another letter in Igbo language called Kwe. Kwe is made up of 2 English letters, K and W. If you look at the Igbo alphabet, we have some letters appearing as 2 letters, but they are one. They are called diphthongs. Such letters are chi, we, re, gui, bi, qui, we, nye. We have we, gui, all those letters that appear too. Okay, another one is she. So when you look at the writings, you will see some of them. So you don't say, for instance, my maiden name is Mgbochiume. It's not Mgbochiume, no, it's Mwa. That NW is Mwa. So CH is Chi. GB is We. GH is Re. GW is We. KP, E. KW, Kwe. NW, Nwe. NY, Nye. SH, She. The other letter that we don't have in Igbo is the letter X. There is no letter X and there is nothing representing it. So another letter that we have in Igbo, or another sound, another consonant we have in Igbo that I don't have anything to liken it to in the English alphabet is we, GB. We, that's that sound. So re, which is GH, reminds me of the French R. You know how you say re, derrière, or l'arbre. Yeah, so re, derrière, re, GH in Igbo is re. All right. Yeah, so that's the exercise for today. I hope you enjoyed today's program. The next video is going to be on numbers. After numbers, we're going to learn how to tone mark. Thank you. Have a great day.